Hello children and welcome to today's online class. So today we are going to learn about playing cards in the chapter probability. In this chapter we should have the knowledge of playing cards, that is the types of card, colors of card, variety of cards. So let us learn about this children. So in total there are 52 cards, 52 playing cards. So those 52 playing cards are further divided like this: 26 red cards and 26 black cards. That means 26 cards are red in color and 26 cards are black in color. Now again these 26 red cards are further divided as 13 heart shaped cards and 13 diamond shaped cards. So heart shape will be just like heart, you know how to draw the picture of heart, and this is the shape of diamond. So this 13 plus 13, 26 red cards. So they all, this is red in color, whereas I don't have red ink to draw, so I could not, otherwise it is red in color. So 13 heart cards and 13 diamond cards. So in total 26 red cards, and 26 black cards are further divided as 13 club cards and 13 spade cards. So club is such in shape and spade is such in shape. I hope you have seen such type of cards while like people play these cards. So you have definitely seen the shapes of the card. So this is club and that is spade, but they both are black in color. So 13 club cards and 13 spade cards, in total 26 black cards. Now I am going to teach you the numbers written on the cards. So in these 13 heart cards, it is denoted by some numbers and alphabets. So the first card is named as A for ace card. Then comes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are called numbered cards. And J, Q, K, that is Joker, Queen, King, they are called face cards. So whatever I said for heart, it is same for diamond, it is same for clubs, it is same for spade. Now you can count the numbers of the card here. Like heart, there are 13 cards, so you count whether it is 13 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 cards here, 13 cards here. 13 plus 13, 26. Again further 13. We have 39. Now again further 13. It is 52 in total. So this is the variety of card. So children, note it down. There is no 1. In place of 1 we have A. There is no 11. In place of 11 we have J. In place of 12 we have Q. And in place of K we have in place of 13 we have K. So you should know the name of cards. Like A, actually A is equal to ace card, ace card, and it is 4 in numbers. It is 4 in numbers. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are called numbered cards. So numbered cards. So children, numbered cards, how many in numbers you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 cards for each variety. So out of 4 varieties, now in total it will be 9 for the 36. So there are 36 numbered cards, because 9 here, 9 here, 9, 9, 18, again 9 here, 27, and again 9 here. In total 36 numbered cards. A is S card, it is 4 in numbers. Numbered card means all numbers written. And face card. Face card. Now face card means like J for Joker, Q for Queen, K for King. They have face in the card. In Joker card there is Joker's face, Queen card Queen's face, King card King's face. So they are called face card. So face card here 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3, in total we have 12. So if you count all of them, total will be 52. Total will be 52. How? 36 plus 4, 40, 40 plus 12, 52. So 52 cards. So simple. Now Ace card 4 in numbers. 2 are black, 2 are red. Next, 36 numbered cards. 18 are black, 18 are red. Face card 12, 6 are red and 6 are black. So simple. So with this knowledge, let us do some questions from the chapter probability. Let me discuss one question with this knowledge. Let me erase and do a question. I hope you have understood about the cards. So let us begin a question. Children, let us learn a question based on cards. So here I have a question. If a card is drawn at random from a deck of playing cards, so from the deck of playing cards means there are 52 cards. So from there a card is drawn. Then what is the probability that it is that the card is number 1, an ace? So you know children, let us start the solution. Very easy question. Number 1, probability of an ace. Children, you know A, all the cards named with alphabet A is called ace card. So there are 4 ace card, 1 from heart, 1 from diamond, 1 from spade and 1 from club. So there are 4 ace card. So I can write 4 out of 52. So if we cancel, so 4 ones are 4, here again 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12. So it answer is 1 by 13. Come to number 2 question, children. Black. So you have to find the probability of black card. Only black means it is black card. So children, very easy. I have told you 26 red cards and 26 black cards. So when it is spoken about black, 13 are spade and 13 are clubs. So 26 black cards. So my answer will be 26 out of 52. So if you cancel 26 1s are 26, 26 2s are 52, 1 by 2. Same thing will be for red also. Probability of red will be 26 by 52. Next, come to a heart. Now number 3, very easy. Probability of a heart. Heart means take only heart variety question, cards. So each variety has 13 heart, 13 diamond, 13 spade, 13 club. So we have to take only heart, that is 13. So there will be 13 heart cards out of 52. So you can cancel 13 1s are 13, 13 4s are 52. 13 4s are is 52. So 1 by 4. Next, number 4. Number 4 question is a face card. Okay, probability of a face card. So face card means, you know, cards having face on it. Like who were they? They were J, Q and K. So each variety has got 3 face card. There are 4 varieties. So 3 4s are 12. And I have written also there are 12 face cards. So I can write 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 from each variety. So from 4 variety 3 4s are 12 out of 52. So you can cancel with 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So it is 3 by 13. So 3 by 13 is our answer. Next, number 5. Probability of not a face card. Now very easy. Not a face card. Now children, not a face card means don't take face card. So there are in total 12 face cards. So not face card means if you don't take face card, out of 52, 12 are face cards. That means 40 are not face card. So your answer will be 40 by 52. So we can further cancel our answer. You can cancel with 4. 4 10s are 40, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Our answer is 10 by 13. Come to next question. I am going to write here. My next question is number 6, a red face card. So number 6, probability of a red face card. Now there are 12 face cards and very easy, 6 of them are black and 6 of them are red, because 3 from heart and 3 from diamond. So 3 plus 3 is 6 red face card. So 6 out of 52. If you further cancel, you can cancel it with the help of with 2. 2 3s are 6 and here will be 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. So our final answer, I can write here also below, 3 by 26 is our answer. Next, number 7. Number 7 question, a black S. Okay, a probability of a black S. Now very easy children, A cards are called S cards. A for S cards. So there are 4 S cards. 1 from spade, 1 from club, 1 from heart and 1 from diamond. But black S, there are 2 black S. 1 from spade and 1 from club. So I can write 2 out of 52. If you cancel, 1 by 26. 1 by 26 is our answer. Last one, a red king. Okay, probability of a red king. So red king means you have to write the numbers of red king cards. So there is 4 king cards, 1 from S, 1 from club, 1 from diamond and 1 from spade. But I have to take only red king. So there will be 2 red king. 1 will be from heart and 1 will be from diamond. So we have 2 red king. Had it been only king, then 4 kings, but red only 2. 2 out of 52. If you cancel, it is 1 by 26. So our answer is 1 by 26. So children, you can see I have answered all the questions, but before that I should have the knowledge of cards. I am not saying you should learn how to play cards. I am saying you should know the variety of cards. Then only you can answer the questions. There is nothing, no role of knowing to play the cards. By knowing to play the cards, answers cannot be done, but you should know the variety of cards. Okay, thank you children.